Why is TikTok still the place to grow in 2025? It's not just an app, it's a global stage where creativity meets opportunity. Every scroll is a chance to go viral. Every post can spark a movement. With over 1 billion users worldwide, TikTok is where trends start, ideas spread, and creators become brands. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, this is the place to be. Let's dive in. Let's talk about the secret sauce that makes TikTok so powerful, the algorithm. It's like a magic machine that pushes your videos to the right people based on how they react. If people like, comment, and watch your videos till the end, TikTok takes that as a sign your content is good, and it shows it to more people. That's why watch time is everything. Get them hooked early and keep them watching. So, don't just aim for views. Think about creating moments in your videos that make people want to stay, engage, and share. Here's a golden rule. You only have 3 seconds to grab attention on TikTok. That's it. So you've got to start strong. Ask a bold question, share a surprising fact, or show something visually interesting right away. If people scroll past, you lose the chance. So, stop the scroll fast. Make your first few seconds count. Think of them like a headline for your video. It's the hook that pulls people in. Want to boost your chances of going viral? Use trending sounds and hashtags. TikTok literally uses these signals to understand what your video is about and who might like it. It's like giving the algorithm a map to your content. Don't overthink it. Just check the trending page, see what sounds are hot, and use them in your own creative way. Hashtags are the same. Here's the thing. TikTok loves short, snappy videos. The sweet spot is usually between 10 and 20 seconds. Enough to grab attention, but not too long to lose it. People on TikTok get bored fast, so you've got to make every second count. Think of your videos like a mini story. You want to deliver value or entertainment quickly and leave your audience wanting more. Less is more on TikTok. Cut the fluff, get to the point, and make it fun. Here's a trick most creators forget. Ask for interaction. TikTok loves engagement, so the more comments, likes, and shares you get, the more the algorithm will push your video. Don't be shy. Tell people exactly what you want them to do. Say things like, drop a comment below, or tap the like button if you agree. And here's a pro tip. Ask fun questions that people want to answer. Like, what's your secret tip? Or, tell me your favorite hack. The more people interact, let's talk consistency. If you want to grow on TikTok, you've got to show up regularly. That means posting 3 to 5 times a week, or even daily if you can. The more content you put out there, the more chances you have to get discovered. And don't stress about perfection. TikTok is a fast platform. It's okay if every video isn't a masterpiece. Just keep showing up, keep creating, and stay in the game. The more you post, the better you get. Want to grow faster? Check your analytics. They're like a cheat sheet for success. See which videos get the most views, the most likes, and the most comments. Are they short videos? Are they using certain sounds? What topics get people excited? Use that information. Double down on what works. If your followers love tips and hacks, make more of that. If they love your energy, bring it in every video. Analytics tell you exactly what your audience wants, so listen and create with that in mind. Here's the final secret. Be yourself. TikTok is full of trends and challenges, but your personality is what sets you apart. People don't follow accounts, they follow people. So let your style, your voice, and your energy shine through in every video. Consistency, creativity, and authenticity. That's the magic formula. Don't copy others blindly. Find your unique vibe, build your community, and have fun along the way. You've got what it takes to stand out and make a real impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop your ideas in the comments, and subscribe for more tips. I'm here to help you grow your TikTok and make 2025 your breakthrough year. We're in this together, so let's make your content shine, grow your audience, and unlock the power of TikTok. Thanks for watching, and remember, your voice matters. Let's make it count.